Fact, there are hundreds of dry shampoos on the market. Other fact, no human being actually has time to try them all. That's why we're doing the deep digging and test driving to find the very best one out there. Hey, I'm Katharine, the Kids Beauty Director. For the past 2 weeks, I've been rocking dirty hair in the name of science. I test drove over 20 dry shampoos to find a winner, and I'm going to take you through my top 3. My first pick is Drybar's Triple Sec. This 3-in-1 refreshes, volumizes, and yields sexy bedhead texture. But what really makes it a fave is the scent. It smells like little cherubs bringing you freshly baked cupcakes. My second contender is the cult classic Batiste. It seriously delivers and conceals greasy roots in a flash. But if you're worried about the white residue, there's tinted versions available for light brunettes and darker shades as well. My third pick is this guy from Way. Trust uber cool celeb hairstylist Jen Atkin to come up with a fun new twist on dry shampoo. This fast-drying foam breathes new life into second, third, or even fourth day hair. So these are all fab, but if you only buy one, I would go with the Batiste. It's tried and true, and it's so inexpensive. Dry shampoo is one of those products you use frequently and generously, so you don't want it to break the bank. And there you have it. Go ahead and hit that snooze button one more time. The kids got you covered.